Tesla Cybertruck production nears as important component of stamping machine arrives. Tesla Cybertruck production is approaching and the installation of equipment continues. According to observations, an important component of the stamping machine has been delivered. The public is holding its breath awaiting updates on the start of Cybertruck production. According to Joe Tetmeyer Twitter observations, an important part has arrived. Presumably for the stamping machine, without which production will not be possible. He reported that this is the last missing part of the machine. Once it is installed, the stamping machine should be ready to set up and start production. According to Joe, it will produce the boxed inner structure of the Cybertruck frame. Last big stamping component about to move to stamping 2. Tesla continues to build alpha versions of Cybertruck on its pilot line in Fremont. These are the units used for various tests. For example, Cybertruck has been tested in winter conditions. In parallel with this, Tesla is completing the installation of a volume production line at Giga, Texas. The company expects to start deliveries of Cybertruck in Q3. During the Q1 2023 earnings call, Elon Musk said this should happen around the end of the quarter, which would take place at a special delivery event. There, Tesla will also reveal the specifications of Cybertruck and its pricing. Musk again stressed that the pickup truck is an incredible product that only comes along once in a long time. He is confident that consumers will not be disappointed. This is indeed a very radical product that is made in a completely different way than all other vehicles. It is worth bearing in mind that production ramp-up will be at a measured pace, so do not expect a large number of deliveries in 2023. Musk explained during the earnings call that like all new products, it will follow an S-curve, so production starts slowly and then accelerates. He said that, as with all new products, it takes time to get the production line up and running. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.